I'm here in Memphis, Tennessee with Eric Vernon, pitmaster, sauce maker, owner of this classic Memphis smokehouse, the BBQ Shop. You guys are known for the originators of the Texas Toast BBQ Sandwich.
Yes, we are.
And the originators of the legendary barbecue spaghetti.
Yes, sir. We are the first ones to introduce that plate to the city of Memphis from Brady and Lil's. And all the other people are claiming to be the originators. You know you're not.
I love this. I love this. What I want to talk about, though, is your ribs. Now, I know you got some ribs cooking here somewhere.
If you're ready for some life-changing ribs,
I'm
ready.
Got some
in the back waiting on you.
Change my life, my friend.
All right,
Let's
come on, come on.
So Eric, here we are at your pit where your ribs get going. Let's take a look, see what's inside.
All right. Yesterday, we took the ribs, we rubbed them down with our special rib seasoning, and we let them marinate overnight. The seasoning seeks into the ribs.
Right.
Come in the morning, we usually take off our butts, and then we put ribs on. And these have been cooking for 3 to 4 hours, and that seasoning is just seeping into the skin.
Sure.
Gives it this kind of golden flavor look.
You can see it's got that great color.
Yes,
man.
yes.
Now, the original pit, man, I would love to see that. I know there's a story behind that one for sure.
All right.
Let's go check it out.
All right.
So Eric, would you say we're at the third stage of your rib development?
Yes, I would.
You got the marinade, the smoke, and wow, now this additional smoke right here.
Yeah, this puts another layer of flavor to our ribs.
Okay.
And this is also the original pit where we built everything from the ground up.
Now I'm kind of seeing this young man right here has been sort of looking over my
Oh, that's
shoulder
the original
here.
pitmaster.
Give me these Toms and get out the way, let me do this.
I will.
Mr. Vernon, how you doing?
Oh, I'm doing just wonderful.
Man, I'm seeing you've done this a time or two, I'm imagining.
Oh, probably over 35 years.
So 35 years of smoking and turning ribs.
You know, these ribs has got to have that loving, tender care.
Yes, yes.
You know, I'm doing them back and forth, so, you know, making sure they are just right.
Now, Eric was telling me that you guys built this pit from the ground up. Were you part of that?
Oh, yes, I had a man come in and build this pit. This was just a flat wall here, and we tore into this wall and built this pit from scratch.
I love it. Now, all hickory wood. About what temperature are you guys cooking these ribs at?
We normally try to cook them around 325.
Okay.
Let me just do one of these numbers, because you know what? I want you to taste these ribs so you can...
Oh, yes.
There you go.
Guys, you can see that initial rub, the smoke, beautiful color, super tender, juicy. Man, I gotta try one.
And sometimes I just like for you to take your thumb and your index and just pull that off.
I can do that. Yes, sir. Oh, wow. That's a tender piece of meat right there. All right, Eric, the ribs that your dad pulled for me right off the pit were delicious, unbelievably good. But I'm seeing they've transformed a bit here.
Yep.
You know,
So-
tell me what we got here.
Initially, so we have our ribs that we try to find the right rib for the barbecue shop. A lot of times, our ribs are hand cut, specifically for the barbecue shop. And so what we do, we put that rib seasoning on them, let them marinate overnight, and then you have like the finished product after we get them smoking it.
Right.
Then we further take, like this is our dry rib.
Okay,
And
the
it
dry
has-
rub here, all right.
Yeah, and it has a dry rub that we came up with that's very good.
Now, this dry rub, is this the Dancing Pig seasoning right here?
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
okay.
it. That's it.
And over here, we've got something very different.
This is the glaze. It's our version of our mild sauce, but it's a little bit thicker. It sticks to the rib, has a little bit of a citrus background, and then we still add just a drop of dry on the top. Now, the thing about when you cook dry ribs, you have to know what you're doing because there's nothing to hide. There's
Nothing to hide. That's a great point.
Yeah, there's nothing to put on it that's gonna create some moisture and tender it up.
Right.
So when I serve dry ribs, I have to make sure these are cooked properly.
Now, I'm getting all the same great smoky flavors that I did from that one right off the pit. This is the glazed over here, okay?
Yes.
Right? It's very tacky, kind of sticky. You can tell it's been reduced down. Oh, man.
And
Different.
Yeah. And I like that whether you order our wet ribs our dry ribs or our glazed dry ribs, you get 3 completely different tastes. Honestly, the glazed dry is the reason we got ranked #1 ribs in America.
That's right, #1 rib in America.
Yeah.
So this, you're telling me, this right
that's
here,
what pushed us over the edge.
that's the #1 rib in America.
Yes.
I would have to agree with that. I mean, that is fantastic. Both fantastic. Completely different. Now, obviously, #1 rib in America, you guys do this and do it well, but you also do many other things well.
Well, I'm gonna have to give you some more examples.
I gotta try some
but
spaghetti.
I'm gonna tell you, I'm about to blow your mind, okay?
I'm ready.
This is our original Texas Toast BBQ Sandwich.
The original Texas Toast.
We've been voted #1 sandwich as long as I can remember, even way before we even got the ribs.
I mean, you're right. I mean, there's a lot going on in here, but it's all kept perfectly in place.
Then this is kind of a gem. A lot of places, even up north, you can't get the actual rag bologna sticks. So we take the rag bologna sticks and we smoke them on a pit. And then after we smoke it, we cut it and we lightly fry it. That's a very southern thing.
I gotta try a little taste. Now, Eric, how long have you guys been in business here?
31 years.
31 years.
Yes.
Now, it was originally Brad and Lil's? Is that
Brady
right?
and Lil's.
Brady and Lil's, okay,
Yeah.
great.
Brady and Lil's, and this is Mr. Brady and his wife. And that started in the early to mid 60s.
Okay.
And Mr. Brady was a railroad cook who had a divinity to own his own business, but he also had a definitive love for pasta and barbecue.
Right.
And so this is Mr. Brady Vince's creation.
This is the original, the OG.
It's the original. So literally, we take the base for the barbecue spaghetti and we smoke it for 12 hours on the pit.
Wow.
So it looks like it's just sauce and noodles. And you can try sauce and noodles, but it won't taste like this.
It won't taste like it.
Now, when I was 5, they used to like to tell me, because you know when you're 5, you want what you want. And I probably wanted McDonald's or something. They used to say, if we put it on some butter toast, will you eat it? And literally, we've been convincing customers to put it on toast, and it is the best thing you will ever taste.
So this is the Eric way to eat barbecue. I gotta do that. Oh man, this looks kind of mind-blowing. That is definitely not noodles and sauce.
No, but you can definitely taste the smoky flavor involved.
Oh man, so much. In depth of flavor, the good tomato, and that is incredible. That is incredible. Well, Eric, man, I cannot thank you and your family enough for having us in here today and feeding us so well. And just, you can really feel the love and the family and everything that this place was born out of, to me, comes through in everything you've done, and your philosophies, your passion, and just the love, man. It's and you did blow my mind with this, the barbecue spaghetti. That's a new thing for me. And it would be an honor for us at BBQ&A and Southern Living if you would sign our board. We have all the pitmasters we've interviewed and talked with and who've opened their arms to us. Man, it would mean a lot if you would sign this for me.
All right, definitely.
All right, my friend.
I'm honored.
Wherever you would like. Nice. Eric, thank you so much, man. This has been one special day, my friend.
It's been a pleasure.
It's been my pleasure.
So tonight, when you go home,
yes,
you're gonna feel a little sluggish, and you're gonna want to call someone and say something's wrong with you. But that's just shopitis.
Shopitis.
And if you lay down for about 45 hours, all that'll go away. You're gonna wake up refreshed.
Shopitis.
I'm just telling you, many people have suffered from shopitis.
I welcome the shopitis, man. It is worth every single bite. I mean that. It's been a great day for us. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it.